Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make resume on Overleaf. If you're looking to create a clean professional resume using Overleaf, firstly open any of the browser. And in the top, there's an address bar. Type down overleaf.com and enter it. And once you get into this interface here, what you need to do is you need to go to this templates in the top right. And over here under the templates, scroll a bit down until you find the CV and resumes. You can make the right first impression with CVs and resumes of this overlay. Click over here. So here you can find all of these templates for your CV. And over here, then select any of the template that you prefer. And here you can select to this open as template. And in order to do it, you need to know basic latex knowledge and replace the sample information with your own details, including your name, contact information, education, work experience, and any other relevant section. And after you're done with it, you can simply go to this file in the top left and you can download. And that is it. That's how you can make resume on Overleaf. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.